Hey guys, this is Dwight here with Tire Spine. Today we're going to be installing our Infinity front for ATV quad tire. I've already went ahead and lubed the tire and the insert. I just light coat lube on it to help with the install and to reduce the little friction we have with it. What you want to do is put your tire on the ground, run your insert perpendicular, spread the seam open and push it into the tire. You want to press it into the bottom to the tread wall there that's in the tire. Next thing you want to do is then take the insert and mirror it to the tire. Then you want to start with whichever hand you are, left or right, with pulling into and doing a curly Q method or corkscrew to get the insert in. Once you get the first part started, it starts to kind of work with you. What you do is keep doing your curly Q design. What you want to do with the exercise is you're actually going to force it into the inside of the tire. Once you have what's left, what you need to do is take the insert and press inwards to the gap that's left in the tire. What that's going to do is the insert's now going to fill the inside of the tire. What's nice about this is didn't have to get out a single tool and we have the insert installed. Yeah, you grind a little bit. It's 12 o'clock at night. I've been doing tires all day. Still be able to knock it out in just a few minutes.